The Social Welfare Department, Government of Meghalaya, in collaboration with the Home Police Department and the District Administration of East Khasi Hills District, yesterday held a consultative meeting on anti-drugs initiatives and constitution of the village defence parties, VDPs, with the members of Legislative Assembly, MLAs, and members of District Councils, MDCs, and the Dorbar Shnongs of the Greater Shillong area at State Convention Centre, Shillong. Speaking to the media after the meeting, Paul Lingdor, Social Welfare Minister, said that the government is trying to identify certain areas of convergence which they have done successfully with the active support of various Dorbar Shnongs. He said that the government is planning to boost manpower starting from the locality level to assist the police.
The purpose of the meeting is for us to have enough manpower starting from the locality level to assist the police in trying to combat the menace of drugs. And that will only happen with the support of the community. I have been advocating a community-oriented approach, and today the participation of so many Dorbar Shnongs is a proof that they have faith in what we are trying to achieve, and I'm very, very happy with the outcome of the meeting.
The State Food Testing Laboratory Commission